Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to fix Tonkeeper wallet not working. So if you are facing any of the problems in your Tonkeeper wallet, then the first thing that you need to do is to simply open your Play Store, and here in the search bar, you need to search for Tonkeeper. Now once you have found Tonkeeper, you need to tap on it and check whether there is any update available or not. As you can see that currently I have an update available for my Tonkeeper wallet. So I'm going to tap on the update button and wait for some time until the update is installing. Now once this tap is done, you need to tap on the open button over here, and then you just have to check whether your Tonkeeper wallet is working properly or not. If it is not working properly, then the second method that you can use is you can simply long press on your Tonkeeper wallet and select the app info. In the app info, select the storage option, and here as you can see that the cache file is available. So you just have to tap on clear cache and you need to press OK. Now after clearing the cache, you just have to launch your Tonkeeper wallet, and now as you can see that my Tonkeeper wallet is working smoothly. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.